Alright, Casey. Do you want to go to McDonald's or Burger King?
I go McDonald's.
Alright. Put on your seatbelt.
Okay. Casey, do you need help putting on your seatbelt right now?
I got it!
Oh, damn.
It don't work!
Okay, let me help you. Oh, chill.
Oh!
I'm trying to help you. You need the seatbelt.
Jesus! Okay.